I'm sure you've heard the news. Your furniture can look new again. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Your furniture deserves the best care, and our professional Polish services are here to deliver just that. Whether it's an antique treasure or your daily use pieces, we make them sparkle. Why choose us? Our team of skilled craftsmen knows furniture inside out. We use only the finest eco-friendly products to make sure your furniture looks amazing and lasts longer. Every piece is unique, and that's why we tailor our services to meet its specific needs. Fast, reliable, and with flexible scheduling, we fit right into your routine. And guess what? Top-notch quality doesn't have to be pricey. Our process is thorough. We start with a careful assessment, clean and repair any minor damages, polish to perfection, and finish with a final inspection. Don't let your furniture lose its charm. Contact us today and rediscover the elegance of beautifully polished furniture in your home. Your furniture's new life starts now.